As you see here is an example trying to sew zigzag with this machine. And I got a problem with a missed stitch here. So the hook didn't catch the thread at this point. The manual explains a little about how timing is done with this zigzag machine. And I recommend you read it, and I did that, and I adjusted the machine according to the manual. But even though these missed stitches happen, I'll explain a little on what is going on. Now I have removed the covers, and I like to show some of the special mechanics regarding the zigzag mechanism. This is a look from the bottom, and I like to show you how the parts move. So I'll make a slow movement here so you can see that. And look there, you'll see that the shuttle hook is moved left and right with a zigzag movement of the needle. This is special for this kind of machine. There is a lever here that actually controls this sideways movement, so it's synchronized with the needle above. This means that the hook will pass the needle to the side. Most zigzag machines will have the hook passing the needle behind the needle. This is an advantage for this machine for heavy work because it will not be sensitive to traction problems, where the needle can be bent forward and backwards and thereby miss stitches, or the hook may hit the needle. This can be a problem with a normal machine. Therefore, the mechanics here is a little more complicated because this movement needs to be synchronized exactly with the movement of the needle. The mechanics to do this is critical and needs to be adjusted. Therefore, I think it is needed for you to have the service manual to do these things. This is how the machine looks like on the top, and what you see here is the mechanism for the movement of zigzag. And I'll try to make it run so you can see how it looks like. And what is going on is that you here have an eccentric that moves at half speed, and in here you got, I'll try to see if you can see that, there is a gear down there that gears down, so the movement of the zigzag will be half speed as normal. Here to the left you can see how the needle bar is moved left and right with this pendulum movement. And up here you get an axle down there to the bottom that controls the movement of the shuttle below. As you see here, the needle do kind of opposite U movement here. And what happened was that because of the thick material I'm sewing here, the round part of the U wasn't finished before the needle hits the fabric here. So what is going on is that when it starts to go down, this position is fixed by the material, but the needle bar and the shuttle below goes further to the right. And therefore, when the needle comes up and the hook should catch the thread, the hook is too far away from the needle. So what I needed to do was to advance the zigzag movement. So this round part of the movement was finished before the needle hit the material. So I advanced the timing a little on the zigzag, and I advanced it so here at the middle, when it moved to the right or to the left, the movement was about a half millimeter advanced than before, and then there was no missed stitches anymore. I think it should be okay, because in the opposite direction it isn't that critical when you go up, because critical is where the hook catches the thread, and there of course there should be no misalignment between the needle and the shuttle. This adjustments is going on here, but I don't think I'll go deep into that because that's in the service manual how you adjust this. I had to remove these parts to get onto the lock screws on an axle for this zigzag movement.